Welcome to Moonstone Update. I'm Mark Beshard, the Managing Editor of Moonstone Publications. Here's a look at some of the stories we've covered over the past week. But first, please hit the subscribe button and share this video with your friends and colleagues. To reduce the impact on small FSPs, National Treasury has proposed lowering some of the levies they will have to pay to the FSCA in terms of the Financial Sector and Deposit Insurance Levies Bill. The formulae have been reworked to target an inflation-related increase, while the cap on the maximum amount payable has been raised. The revised formulae will see Category 1 and 4 FSPs paying a base amount of R3,600 instead of R4,000. The current CBD cycle ends in less than 2 weeks, and time is of the essence if you haven't completed your CBD activities. If you're looking to make up those missing hours quickly, Moonstone Business School of Excellence offers more than 100 online CBD courses, starting from only R53. Follow the link at the bottom of the screen to choose a course that's right for you. Less than 3% of the new complaints registered by the Ombudsman for short-term insurance last year were related to COVID. But COVID-related business interruption complaints accounted for nearly half of the more than R190 million in settlements secured for consumers. Overall, the Osti saw a decrease of almost 12% in new complaints last year. It attributed this mainly to the decrease in claims to non-life insurers. The Osti's report flagged the increase in claims that have been rejected because insurers allege the driver failed to exercise reasonable precaution or due care. Many of the claims were rejected because the driver was allegedly speeding. The Ombuds said that even where it agrees with the insurer that the driver was speeding, it may overturn a claim rejection because the insurer failed to prove that the driver acted recklessly. The Pretoria High Court has asked the Constitutional Court to confirm an order that will have significant implications for how assets are redistributed when couples who are married out of community of property get divorced. The court declared that Section 73A of the Divorce Act is inconsistent with the Constitution, as it limits Section 73 of the Act to marriages out of community of property that were entered into before the Matrimonial Property Act took effect in 1984. The ruling means that individuals married out of community of property without accrual will be entitled to claim a redistribution of assets despite what their signed antenuptial contract may provide. First National Bank was the only bank among the country's Big Five banks that recorded a decrease in the number of cases opened against it by the Ombudsman for Banking Services last year. The Ombudsman said the 34% decrease in the number of cases opened against FNB could largely be attributed to the initiatives implemented by the bank to align itself with the Treating Customers Fairly principles. The Board of Healthcare Funders, a representative association for medical schemes, has applied for an exemption from provisions of the Competition Act so that it can publish a scale of benefits after negotiating with healthcare providers about tariffs. The BHF said medical schemes and beneficiaries are struggling with the high cost of private healthcare, while regulatory failures for the past 15 to 20 years have resulted in runaway supply-side prices. That's all we have for this week. You can read these stories and many more on our website moonstone.co.za. Until next time, here's wishing you all the best from the team at Moonstone Information Refinery.